Are you happy you got up to the tall place, you little monster?
And to the people, what are your thoughts on racism?
Tu veux dire, mais c'est bon.
Oh, this one's taken. This one's taken.
Sonny, look at the... That's scary. Sonny.
Oh!
Boom, boom, boom. Let me hear you say way-ho.
Good morning. You want to check your TikTok stats? You have 65,000 likes, 670,000 views. That's your most viral one. Your others are like 17,000. You want to try to get them up there? You got to be a little funnier then. All right? We're going to work on that today. Mama? We're going to work on that today? Okay.
Hey Google, can you meow to my cat for me?
Sure, I can meow. Meow. Meow meow. Meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow. Meow meow.
I'm not gonna do it hard.
Get it in there.
I love you.
Kelly!
She said what?
She say what? Do you hear it?
So every time we hit our water ball, our cat comes charging at it and attacks it. So we did it on purpose this time to see what he would do. Does anyone else's cat do this?
Spin, spin, shake, lay down, roll over, jump, kiss.
Buddy? That's not looking too good, bud. I don't think you realize what's going on, buddy.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Good morning. What is it? You want to say Merry Christmas? And Happy New Year? Are you excited for a new year? What's your resolution gonna be? Do you have one? Mama! No resolution? Okay.
Let me spank that butt. 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 Let me spank that butt.
Yo, Scout, dap it up. Scout, give me a high five. Scout, how are you doing on this wonderful evening? You are beautiful. BMO. I can't stay in this relationship anymore. It's not good for me. This is abusive. I'm just trying to sleep, and here you are, attacking me. Dang, Orange. You trying to get the fan like that? Oh, poor baby.
What do you want? Can you please stop? I literally just opened my eyes. Yeah, I'm trying to get ready for work. You have food, you have water. What is the problem? Mama, what is it? You don't know? You don't even know. You're just full of complaints? Yeah? Oh, here comes Eggplant. Good morning. Oh, boy. Mama, what is it? I didn't give you the salmon one. I think you got the seafood delight. Ugh, you're not happy with that?
So if you've seen our last video, you know that our cat is kind of crazy. So we used 4 water bowls instead of 2 to see what would happen. It was a mess.
No way she just caught that.
Hi, Scout. How are you doing on this wonderful evening? Hi, Scout. How are you doing on this wonderful evening? Hi, Scout. How are you doing on this wonderful...
Alright guys, super random, but does anybody know why this is here? Let me show you guys. Why?
I just got up and walked to the door and I saw it.